Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're unboxing this subwoofer and soundbar. So I'm just gonna show you the box and I will give you a bit of a story about this after I show you the box. So this is called a Bowfell Plus 2.1 soundbar with a subwoofer. It's by Majority Audio. It's a 100-watt 2.1 surround sound, compact design, powerful subwoofer, Bluetooth 5.0 and optical. So you can connect it in two ways and with aux. It allows a USB, MP3 and it's remote control as well. This is basically it here. Queen's Award for Enterprise. Okay, that's very interesting. The side, the box is pretty big. Hopefully you can see it like this on this here. I don't know if you can see that there, but either way, let's see what the back says. Right, the back is saying 2.1 soundbar. It's the same information, right? So that is the same thing. But basically, before I unbox this and break the whole box and show you, I wanted to give a bit of a quick story about this product. So why am I unboxing this and where did I get this from? Basically, in my Fiat job, there's this thing called recognizing you. It's basically a reward points system thing where people recognize the work and stuff that you've done. And I get points here and there, right? And normally what it is I just buy gift cards. And the other day I just thought, do you know what? I need some headphones, and I didn't have any because I use my AirPods. But the thing is, I use Mac for like my editing and work, and then I use Windows laptop and stuff for my Fiat job, and then I also have a Windows PC and stuff. And because I don't have proper headphones and I thought, do you know what? Some speakers as well. I'd want something. Funnily enough, I was just on my recognizing you page, and obviously I've got quite a few points and stuff. So I don't know why I'm saying obviously, but Alhamdulillah, I've been able to like accumulate points and stuff over time. And basically, this was just on the front page. I'm like, oh, hold on, this would be perfect. It's something that I need. I've got all the points as well. So do you know what? Rather than the norm of me just buying gift cards and stuff and just using it, I might as well just purchase this. Do note that even though these recognizing you points that I got does translate to money, on your payroll and pay slip, you do get taxed for it. So I get taxed 40% for these points. So if I were to never use them, it's just free tax money that went out of my pocket. So I'm just glad that I even found this. This isn't too expensive. It's, I think, the soundbar itself, you can purchase it for around £40, and both I think it's like £65 to £75. So I use some of my points to just basically get this. I didn't want something crazy because yeah, it's just, I just want some sound coming that's better. Well, I don't even have any sound or anything for my PC. Anyways, I hope that story was interesting and got you more involved into wanting to watch this unboxing. Let's actually get to the unboxing itself. So anyway, let's get the knife out as per usual and show you. This is a huge box, so I can't really actually put it down and give you an overhead view as I normally do. But yeah, do consider subscribe to my channel because I do many unboxings and it's not normally about this. So if you're new here, you probably won't be interested in my other content. But just so you're aware, my other content is regarding crypto, cybersecurity, and tech. So this is the tech category. A lot. Anyways, let's not cut my hand. Cool. So hopefully you can see that there. Open the box, and it's a very. Do you know what? I'm gonna have to put this on the floor. Let me put this on the floor and grab everything out. Okay. So. Okay, that's that there. And this is very, very heavy. Hopefully that's a good view there. I don't know why my camera there is showing, but yeah, that's one of my other cameras, lol, which I use for all of these videos. A lot of things around me. Anywho, check that out. They give this 3 years warranty. Nice. Which I'm never going to use. Let's open the cable first. Right. The majority, this is probably the quick start instruction guide. Yeah, so it's showing you instructions, where to put it in. Yeah, as you probably would know, I'd never read any of that. So, throw that to the side. This is an aux cable. Hopefully you can see there. Aux, it's not gold, it's silver. Bit disappointed with that, but then again, the price right. This is the remote. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this, but it's nice to have, I guess. I'll unpackage it anyways, because that's interesting. There's a switch on and off button. I thought when I just connect this to my... So I'm going to try and connect this to 2 computers, not just one, so my MacBook and my PC. Just because when I'm editing and stuff, I want to have some, well, decent sound quality, right? I normally use my AirPods anyways when I'm editing. But yeah, anyways, this cable here, I don't know if I'm going to use... Well, I probably will have to use it. What's here? This is probably the power supply. Hopefully it's a UK. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, it's a UK power supply. This is what I need. The UK power supply here. How many volts is it? That's a good question. 100 volts. Sorry. 100 to 240 volt. So yeah, it's a normal power supply. And this is obviously 100 watt. Let me put that to a side there. And let's take the packaging of the subwoofer out. Okay, so this is the majority subwoofer. There's a lot of plastic. Have to get the knife out. I would laugh if I cut the actual wire. I'm going to try and be careful. Worst case scenario, I don't have any sound when I edit and I just put subtitles on all of my videos. Look. Or YouTube makes the subtitles themselves. Anyways, this is the cable to connect to the actual soundbar. This is the sub. As you can see, it's a cloth or fabric, or you know, I don't know what that material there is. There's some sort of fabric here for the base or whatever. Majority subwoofer, model Bowfell Plus 40HM, 50 watt maximum. Okay, made in China. Interesting. Okay, this is good. This has some like rubbery stuff here, so it doesn't slip if you were to have, I don't know, laminated floors and stuff, which is good. Let me put this to a side now, since you have already seen what that is. Hopefully, do you know what? I'll put it like this, so it's like it's a designer random bar, a subwoofer that I have here, Lord. Anyways, this is a soundbar. I'm glad that this isn't too big. The reason is my desk. Okay, this desk is pretty big, but I didn't want it to be too huge. So it's not like I'm putting it next to a TV. Okay, so soundbar. There's information here. If you are hearing a message to turn your source output from PCM, which is this cable here, PCM, or if you're hearing a buzzing sound on your soundbar, please set your source optical audio output settings to 2-channel PCM. Okay, that's interesting that they give advice like that. So you would leave it like this. So hopefully you see that there. And yeah, that's how you would leave it. And the sound would come through here, which is the speaker itself. I'm going to just show you a close up so you can see what the material is like. Hopefully you can hear that. But yeah, it's a very glossy. My fingerprints are already getting stuck on it. I want to show you the back, the serial number and everything's there. These are the ports that are there, right? SW out, optical in, so and USB, you can put like USB itself and then basically play whatever video what you want, and that's the DC 18 volt that is showing there. Let me show you that as a close-up, so hopefully you can have a read there. But what do you call it, this I'm going to be trying to put in the aux and the optical in both. So What do I mean? I'm going to put the optical into my MacBook and then the aux into my desktop. And I just want to see how that looks and if it works with dual. Anyways, on the top here, this is what you need to see. So the power mode is there, volume up, volume down, and the aux. So the aux, the reason I think that they put it to the side is because some people want to connect their phones. I'm never going to do that, if I'll be honest. I don't listen to music and stuff like this, so maybe if, to be fair, even if I'm watching, yeah, as I said, that's why I didn't go for a crazy sound bar that's surround sound 7.1 Dolby Atmos. But yeah, this is the item anyways, and yeah, I'm just going to show you some close-ups just so you can see how this product actually is. Hopefully you did enjoy watching my unboxing. If you did, and you know what the recognizing you points are, do subscribe, lol, because we are alike. But yeah, do comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to know anything. Check out my channel if you're interested in the world of crypto. That's something that this channel has a lot of information about. So if you want to learn, I've got educational content regarding that. In addition, yeah, subscribe, and lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.